In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proposal template in Proposify. By the end, you'll have a reusable, polished template that saves time and keeps every proposal on brand. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Proposify. Click the official Proposify result to head to the site, then log in with your account. If you'll be back often, this is a great moment to bookmark the login page so you can return with one click. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open the content library. This is the hub where your templates and building blocks live. At the top, switch to the Templates tab if you're not already there, then click the plus template button in the top right. This is where you'll decide how you want to build your foundation. You have two paths. From the gallery gives you a professionally designed starting point, often tailored to specific industries. It's ideal if you want a fast, reliable structure you can tweak. From scratch gives you a blank canvas and full design control. Choose the one that matches your workflow. Either way, you can customize everything later. With the editor open, use the section menu on the left to add the core pieces of your proposal. Think about a clean cover page, a brief introduction or overview, a scope of work, a deliverables or timeline section, pricing, terms and conditions, and a signature or acceptance area. Keep each section focused on a single purpose. Short, scannable content works best, and modular sections make it easy to reuse and rearrange later. Next, open the Design tab to set your global styles. Pick your brand fonts, define heading and body sizes, and choose your color palette and background treatments. Establishing these settings now ensures every page looks cohesive without formatting each element individually. Aim for strong contrast for readability, consistent spacing, and only a few highlight colors to keep things professional. To make your template smart and adaptable, insert variables for repeating details. Add placeholders such as client company or project name where they should auto-fill in future proposals. Variables reduce manual edits, lower the risk of typos, and help maintain consistency. Place them in headers, body text, pricing notes, and even footers as needed. When everything looks right, save your template. Give it a clear, searchable name and, if your workspace supports it, organize it into the right folder so your team can find it quickly. A quick test, generating a draft proposal from the template, can confirm that your variables populate correctly and your layout holds up. That's it. You've built a reusable Proposify template that's fast to customize and always on brand.